Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Taco Bell location on the Taco Bell app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get a delivery from a Taco Bell from a different location. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Taco Bell app. Next, on the upper right hand corner, click on location. So this is where it's going to show you nearby Taco Bell locations. So go ahead and select the Taco Bell location you want to be delivered from, then click on confirm, then click on change location. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your Taco Bell location on the Taco Bell app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.